Hello, welcome. This is Xingning. I'm using Excel to show you how to do long division. The reason I'm using Excel just because the grid, the grid I see is very nice. So I can see the alignment properly. And I said earlier that a lot of people, students, especially when they do division, addition, multiplication, all kind of things, they are actually tends to make mistake, not because they don't understand the multiplication or addition, they actually have misalignment. So when you start it, I recommend you using grid paper. Sorry, try to see which pronunciation is best. Okay, let's go get started. That's why I'm using Excel. Okay, so you will see that almost everything I do, addition, Excel, multiplication, Excel, division, Excel. Actually, a few days ago, I was trying to illustrate a coding problem, computer science problem. I'm using Excel as well because Excel is highly visible, and then you can see the pattern work in front of you. That's why it's Excel. Okay, Excel is very nice, your friend. Okay, try use it. Okay, let's get really to the division before we, sidetrack too much. So sorry about that. Let's start it. Okay. Read what I wrote on the right side. Said use your left finger. Actually, I'm going to change this a little bit. Use your left index finger. That's about a finger to use. Or anything. Or you can even hold a pencil, but using finger is probably easier, whatever finger you have, okay? Use your left finger to point to the number from left to right, okay? From left to right. And then ask yourself question. Is the number I'm pointing to 6, okay? I'm pointing to 6, bigger or equal to the number I'm trying to divide, which is 3. Okay, if yes, then perform division. Now, okay, let's get started. Okay, let's look at 6. Is 6 bigger or equal to 3? Yes. Then how many 3 fits into 6? How many 3 fits into 6? Ooh. 1 3 equals 3, 2 3 equals 6. So 2 3 fits into 6. Then we're going to put the thing you just said a while ago is that 2 of 3 fits into 1 6, right? So then we say, okay, multiply 2 times 3, give you 6. Just, so you can do subtract. Okay. Ooh. I just want to subtract. And I'm going to use Excel again. This is not pen, paper or pen. So I use Excel to draw this line for me. And 6 minus 6 equals 0. It's evenly fits, right? Perfect fits. You don't really have to bring down the 0 or write the 0. It's just implied. And then you bring down the number to the right of you, which is 3. So bring down the 3. And you ask the same question. Is 3 bigger or equal to 3? Yes. How many 3 fits into 3? 1. So you write down 1. Okay. 1 times 3 equals 3. So we do that. And then you put the minus sign here. Minus sign, yeah, that's fine. I'm a little picky on where things are, but I think it's okay. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So nothing to write. 0, And I bring down the number to the right of me, which is 9, right? So 9. Then you ask yourself the same question. How many 3 fits into 9? So 1 3 3, 2 3 6, 3 3 is 9. So you put 3 here. You say 3 times 3 equals 9, right? And then you do a subtraction here, okay? And then you draw a line. You really draw a line, okay? I don't have a pen, paper or pencil. So I'm using Excel, border to do the line. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Nothing to do there. So you bring the number to the right of you, which is 3, okay? And you ask yourself, how many 3 fits into 3? 1. You write exactly what you said. You said 1 set of 3 fits into 3. You want the number as big as possible, okay? So there's only 1 3. And then 1 times 3 equals 3. Oops. You do subtract. And you draw a line. And then this time, the last one, I write 0. In the intermediate 0, I actually skip. But the final 0, I'll write down to tell myself this number is evenly divisible by 3. It's equal to 2131, remainder 0. Okay, so can you see? Is it 2? Yeah, this is perfect now. Now you can see the whole thing. Okay, so this is a long division, okay? And we're going to do one more sample. So let's move forward. Okay, so now it's almost the same thing. You put your left finger to the number 1. It's 1 bigger or equal to 3. The answer is no, 1 is too small. Then I'm going to put, move my finger to the right by 1. So now I'm looking at the 10. I'm going to ask myself, is 10 bigger or equal to 3? The answer is yes. How many 3, fits into 10? Maximum number of 3, okay? Not just like 1 times 3 fits into 10 for sure. But then 2 times 3 is 6. Does 6 fit into 10? Yes, it does. 3 times 3, 9. 9 fits into 10? Yes, it does. Okay, what about 4 times 3? That's 12. That's too big. Doesn't fit. So I'm going to put that 3, okay? So 3 times 3 is 9. You write down 9 here. And then you do your subtraction here. And then you put your, your 9 there. So 10 minus 9 give you 1, right? And then you bring the number to the right down by 1. Bring down the number, okay? Now you ask yourself, how many 3 fits into 18? Oh, I know 3 times 3 is 9. So definitely more than that. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. This I'm doing slowly just to illustrate. But in reality, I hope you really master multiplication. If not, it's okay. You can use division and try to practice. Every time you forgot, you always try your best to see what you know. Okay, so 3 times 6 is 18. Then you write down exactly what you said. Oops. You said 18, right? So we're gonna put 18 there and then subtract. When you subtract, what do you see? Oh, that's a 0. 0, we don't need to bring down. We just bring down the number next to us to the right, okay? 8. You ask yourself, okay, how many 3 fits into 8? Okay, how many 3 fits into 8? 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 3, 9. 9 is too big, so it doesn't fit. So 2, 3. 2 times 3, 6. And then you do another this. So what you get? You get 2. Then you ask yourself, is 2? See, supposedly when you finish, right, you have no more digit. The number at the end shouldn't be bigger or equal to 3. Is 2 less than 3? Yes, it is less than 3. That means we did the job probably correctly, right? So, and then we're going to see, okay, so we're going to see the answer. We say 1088 divided by 3 equal to 362 with the remainder of 2. And then you do a sanity check. Sanity check. Let me write the words sanity check. Did I write here? Yes, I did. So I'm going to put here. Sanity check is one of the most important things to do. What you do is this. You can pretend this as 300. So 300 times 3 is 900. 1088 is pretty close to 900. I would say I'm close. Let's see what if I didn't run to 300, I run to 400. 3 times 400 will give you 1200. Is 1200 close to 1088? Yes, it does. Okay, so my answer is actually on the right track. Very good. So that's it, your answer just like that. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.